What you just saw was the view we've had for the last few days since we've been in Vancouver. And the last few days we've actually just been kind of hanging out, relaxing with my mom. It's been nice to have some family time. But today Nicole and I are gonna get back out there and hit up those couple spots that we were gonna do on the way into the city and do some more exploring. So we finished up our adventures for the day. There were just two quick little things, but still really fun, still really cool. And it's a beautiful day. But I thought it'd be a good idea to maybe go catch sunset at a beach. So maybe go have a little bit of a picnic and enjoy what will hopefully be a nice sunset. Pretty chillin' day. What is up? It's a new day. Not that great of a day, but I think for today it actually works for our benefit, which is good. We're gonna go do a road trip outside the city, a couple hours away, and hit up a couple things. One's a waterfall, one's a bridge, and should be pretty epic.
This is a homage beat.
That was a little bit of an unplanned stop to a waterfall called Bridalveil Falls. Bridalveil Falls has not let us down once yet, so I think every time we see one, we're gonna have to pull over and check it out.
Yeah, it's been a good name.
I mean, you got the one on Manitoulin, cute little waterfall.
Can't beat that.
Then there was the one on the Icefield Parkway in Alberta, pretty damn sick.
Yeah.
And now this one, friggin' unreal. Now let's get to the real part of the day.
Yeah.
We made it to our real first destination of the day. The road seems to be closed, so we're gonna hike up. And hopefully it's not too bad. And hopefully it doesn't pour down rain on us. So it turned out that we were actually hiking up the wrong area. Surprise, surprise. But luckily we also ran into a couple girls that were also trying to find the same place we were. And they had driven up because they opened like the gate and everything. But we get back down to our car and they had left us a note saying that they had found the actual trailhead and have given us directions.
Look! It's so cute.
Sorry, it's kind of fogging up. 1 second.
So we left us this note, and then we open it, and then instructions within. Ah, so sweet. Thanks, guys.
So thanks Allie and Zoe from Banff. I know we usually say Banff, but it came in handy this time.
That's so good. Okay.
On to the real trailhead now. So that we found the real trailhead, let's try this again. We made it safely back into the car, and that place was unreal. Definitely one of the few places so far that we've had planned that's actually lived up to the hype we've had for it. So super pleased, super stoked. And you wouldn't think because of how crappy the weather was that it was fun, but it was actually the perfect weather for it. So
Yeah, it was pretty good.
super stoked, but I want to finish this now because this thing is fogging up. So bye, on to the next place. So we just finished up for the day. What an awesome day.
I'm so tired.
So much fun.
So tired.
Yeah, and this one didn't even want to go out today. I made her.
It was good though. I'm so glad I did.
Yeah, I mean, from
great.
that first waterfall, Bradaville Falls, my jaw was literally on the floor when I saw it. I was just like...
As he was walking, so he was like...
Just because it was just like completely unexpected. I had no idea what to expect. And then when I saw it, I was like, holy crap. This is it?
Yeah. But I knew as soon as Justin was like, oh, let's go do stuff today. I was like, oh, I really don't want to. But I know if we don't, it's going to be a terrible idea if I don't.
Yeah.
If that makes sense. Right?
But yeah, the other two places were also really sick, and we got to this last place here, this waterfall, super late, but it's okay because it meant we had it all to ourselves.
Which was really nice.
And our good luck just like keeps going because
Yeah.
every spot we went to today, as we were leaving, people were coming on every single spot.
Yeah.
Actually, no, the bridge, we were alone except for Allie and Zoe. The ones that gave us directions, they were there.
But that's okay. Without them, we wouldn't even be there.
Exactly. But yeah, every other spot we got there, did our thing, and by the time we were done, we left and people were coming. So
Yeah. No, especially this one, because as we were coming, people were leaving, and as we were leaving, people were coming.
yeah,
It was like
so sick.
perfect.
Perfect timing. But that's it for today. But we are also super stoked for tomorrow because my sister and her husband are coming up from Hawaii for a visit. And they're bringing my little niece that I haven't met yet. So I'm so excited to finally meet her.
So excited.
It's going to be unreal. So see you later.